Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. My name is Aaron. This is for the love of tech because I love technology, you love technology, and we love to talk about tech. And my friends over at Whitestone Dome, that's right, Whitestone Dome sent me a little care package for my OnePlus 10 Pro. This is a phenomenal device. Killer camera back there. Like, this camera hump is pretty aggressive. It's one of like the biggest ones I've ever seen. The photos are pretty decent. I haven't done a full camera comparison, so we will save that for another day. But what I do know is that it came with a pre-installed screen protector, and I have done as much as I can with the pre-installed screen protector. I have gone on as long as I can with this screen protector, this film on top, and I'm excited to actually put some glass back underneath my fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and just first take this. No, did I already take it off? Okay, I thought I already took it off. I got so scared. I was like, you mean to tell me my screen is just scratched up? You can see I got all these horrible scratches. It's okay, a screen protector. So we're gonna pull it off right now. So this was the screen protector from which it's protected my device up until now. Save that for later. Memories, maybe we'll cuddle with it, maybe we'll throw it away. Either way, we are going to install a new glass screen protector on the OnePlus 10 Pro, which by my account this year might be one of my favorite devices that have come out. It's so difficult to get in. Why? The OnePlus 10 Pro, it's super smooth, it's crazy responsive. The battery is fairly decent, right? However, I will tell you that the super fast charging gimmick it's got built in is pretty amazing. So even if I have 10 minutes and I gotta throw my phone on the charger, I'm good to go for the rest of whatever I need. So here is an unboxing of that out of the box. I know from experience that there's nothing on the box. There's not gonna be, oh, we have an installation guide. Somebody at Whitestone probably went out of their way to make sure that I have this installation guide because I razz them in the videos every single time that I get a kit without any instructions. It's kind of scary, but you also have the opportunity or option of scanning that QR code. That will get you the install guide as well. Got all of our goodies. We're gonna put them to the side. We're going to inspect our box to see if there's anything new that we're not anticipating. Couple glasses, standard. Masking tapes for all your parts, standard. Speaker covers, pretty standard. Now you've got your little tab for your bridge, your dust stickers, you got your absorbing pads, your alcohol swabs, more absorbing pads, you got your little cloths, more alcohol swabs, plastic, your glue. They gave us 3 glues. I find that interesting because once upon a time, I actually sent a message to Whitestone Dome and I said, you know what would be pretty nice if there was an extra glue in there just in case we needed a little bit more glue to get the job done. Maybe they listen, maybe not. So here's the tray and here's the little gizmo part. And then in here, we are going to find our UV light. That's what we're gonna use to cook our adhesive on to the surface of our actual phone and our USB cord to power that. So that is the box. I've done this with this a few times. If you've been around, you know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn off our phone. First thing, always turn off your phone. Put your phone in like this. Make sure it clicks into place. It should be nice and secure where if you let it go, it doesn't fall out. Let's put some of our stuff to the side. We don't need everything right now. I do know that first and foremost is we're going to clean our phone screen for sure. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Wipe, wipe, white. So in using the included cloth, I now have to use the included dust remover because there's all sorts of particles all over my device that weren't there prior to using that cloth. So how about that? One thing I can say is my little plastic pre-installed screen protector did a fairly good job. There's no scratches, no dings on my screen that I can tell. And I've been using this phone as my daily device since it came out. How much I like it. Actually, you know, I can't say my daily device. I think I carried it with me, but there was a small period of time where I also had to do the Pixel because I was working on the review. But this device is still fairly new. Review coming. I feel good about that. I feel super good about that. Now, the Absorb pads look like they're going in here now. All right, there we go. So this is how it's looking. Absorb pads, phone, this little guy right here fits on there, nice and neat. There we go. So this is what we're looking like at this stage of the game. Now, if you have a Whitestone Dome and you're using this video to follow the install, pause, rewind, download the video, whatever you need to do. Make sure you feel good and confident about what you're doing before you do it. I unfortunately have done this a whole bunch. So I go into it and I'm really cocky, and then I'll look at it and I'll be like, damn, Aaron, you forgot to put masking tape on your phone. So we got to start all over. So this little guy here, you peel off and it goes at the top of your phone. This goes to protect the speaker. So this is really kind of a delicate one. You want to make sure that you get it just perfect. The speaker on this is a tiny slit. I don't even know if you can see it. Can you even see it there? Maybe you can see it on this one. It's a tiny slit. There it is. And what do you do with the tape? If there's a button, it needs to be covered. Pretty easy, right? If there's a button, it needs to be covered. So that's how that looked like. If there's a button, it needs to be covered. There we go, nice and good. We're gonna flip it around. I'm gonna do it again to the bottom side this time, because we got all sorts of ports down there that we want to go ahead and protect. All right, all the way around. If there's buttons, they needed to be covered. All holes have been covered. So now we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna come back to our cloth and we're gonna wipe off our phone again. We're back in, locking it in place. So you're gonna hear the click. This little guy, you're gonna wanna put right there. That's your little pull guy. This is your bridge. You're gonna wanna put the bridge right there. So this is how it's looking at this point of the whole install. And now we are absolutely ready for some glue. All right, so we're here we go. And the first thing we want to do, all right, is peel this back adhesive. So when you peel this, what's underneath is the glue. So this is now the glue side. So there we go. Do we put it on there? No, not yet, but we have it ready to go. I'm gonna set it right here so I can easily grab it as soon as I need it. Take this colored cap, open, put it in here so the adhesive comes out. So there we go. Close it back up because that junk is sticky. All right, so now this is coming up. Oh. And you're going to line that up right there. If you're ever wondering, you got curved edges and a camera hole to help guide you. So I'm not wondering right now. I know right there and go, wow, right? And I knew that my tab was going to catch her, so I wasn't worried. So now we have to tilt. This is an official instruction. And you want get your adhesive all the way down as much to the middle as possible. So hopefully you can see it. Moving. Once it gets there, it's gonna actually spread out. All right, there it is. You're gonna pull your tab. So the whole point of using this method is gravity and the glue is going to pull itself and suction it down together. And then once we have it completely spread out, what we will do is leave it right here as it is, and we're going to cook it in the glass, right? And we're gonna start by doing the center, be like, wow, and then we're gonna do the sides. And it's gonna be amazing. But as you can see, there is just a couple spots left. It's trying to fill in with the glue. There's top corner there is about done, and then up here it is filling in nice and slow. So it is happening, it's just happening really slow, and by the time we get to it, it is going to be ready to go. This was a flawless install. No marks, no blemishes, nothing anywhere. All the edges are crisp and tight, just like we like it. It came out great. I feel really good about this. And I will have to take a moment and just mention and shout out to Whitestone Dome for listening to people, to consumers, to creators about their products and simplifying the process. Great product, way too complicated. 4-step process. They have boiled it down to. Great job, everyone over at Whitestone Dome. You have taken this giant page of an instruction and made it into a 4-step process, which is way simple for me and everybody else who is using and enjoying your products. So thanks again. Big shout out Whitestone Dome. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe for the love of tech. Namaste.